Hi, I'm Mr. Day. AP English Language and Composition, or AP Lang, is one of two advanced placement English courses at Washington Latin. In AP Lang, we concentrate on rhetoric, how humans use words to persuade and convince, how a speaker uses text to reach an audience. I practice that because I've got an audition for a TV weather gig coming up next. Throughout history and the present day, our words are often both how we gain power and how we exercise it. Our words empower us. Words matter, we're fond of saying at Washington Latin. In AP Lang, we engage in the study of how and why words matter. To do this work, we read a lot, and we talk a lot, and we write a lot. When we read almost entirely nonfiction, books, essays, and speeches. When we talk, we discuss and analyze what we read, often with the aim of figuring out exactly what a writer is trying to do and how they're trying to do it. When we write to analyze other people's efforts to persuade and convince their audience, and also to make our own efforts to persuade and convince. These are vital skills for citizens in a democracy, in which politicians and parties constantly work for our support of their campaigns and policies, and in which we work as hard as we can to make society more fair and just. When you sign up for AP Lang, you are also signing up to take the AP English Language and Composition exam. AP exams happen in May, towards the end of the year, and are an opportunity to show colleges and universities that you are taking on some of the most challenging curricula at your school and that you are ready for college-level work. You may even earn credit towards graduation from college with a high score on an AP exam. Regardless of which teacher you have next year, in AP Lang you are guaranteed a rigorous introduction to the study of rhetoric, a focus on skill development, reading, writing, thinking, speaking, and listening, and frequent writing assignments. The biggest chunk of the AP exam is 3 essays, 2 in which you make an argument of your own, and 1 in which you analyze someone else's argument. We practice writing in response to AP exam essay prompts several times per month, so by the end of this class, your argument and analysis skills will be sharp. If you happen to draw me, Mr. Day, as your teacher, you can expect frequent Socratic discussions and a deep focus on the text we read, meaning fewer texts overall and more time with each one. Among other things, we will look at how the speeches of Martin Luther King Jr. and Malcolm X worked to promote social and political change in the United States, and how women, LGBTQ+ individuals and groups, youth, and people of color use rhetoric in the present day to work for a more just and equitable society.
Hi, I'm Ms. Foley. I'm the other AP Language and Composition teacher. To reiterate what Mr. Day said, you'll be reading a lot, writing a lot, and discussing a lot, no matter which of us you take. Our courses are very similar in terms of what we read and what we talk about, and the types of essays we write are the same because we're preparing you for the exam. I like to have students write a weekly essay, but similarly to Mr. Day, the reading that we do is not extensive. It's not extraordinarily time consuming in the sense that it's 50, 100, 200 pages long. It's short, but we read deeply. No matter which teacher you take, you're going to end up as a better thinker and a better writer, and you'll be much better prepared for college. And the great thing about this course is that I think it prepares you for any type of major in college, not just those of us that go on to be English majors. In order to apply for the course, if you're a 10th or 11th grader currently, if you're taking regular English, you're going to need a B+ or an A, plus a teacher recommendation and an application essay that you can get from Mr. Day or from me. If you're in honors English currently as a 10th or 11th grader, you're going to need a B+, or an A, as well as that same teacher recommendation and the same application essay. Traditionally, we let in a few rising 10th graders, a few current 9th graders. And in the past, we've used PSAT scores as a really strong, firm cutoff. This year, we don't have that data point, so we're being extra strict about who we're even allowing to apply. In order to apply to AP Language this year as a 9th grader, you need to have an A in your current English course, as well as a really strong teacher's recommendation and that application essay. We're only going to let in just a few students from the ninth grade this year because it has not been a traditional learning year for any of us. And we want to make sure that you have a really firm foundation and that your first AP course experience is successful. There is no reason to rush into this course as a rising 10th grader. You will have the opportunity to take it in the future, I promise. If you have any questions about this course, please feel free to email Mr. Day or myself. His email is nday@latinpcs.org and mine is efoley@latinpcs.org. You can either arrange to come and chat with us in our tutorials or just email us questions that you have. I look forward to reading your essays and thanks for watching.